My goal right now is to see if I can sell the truck. I want you guys to be the first to know I'm selling the truck.
No,
That white bow tie no more.
F250 or F350.
Isn't your Instagram Chevy the Great? So recently on the channel, we've been all about big wheels, big chrome wheels and exhaust. What are you doing back there?
What up, good?
We've been all about big wheels and exhaust. And I tried to show you guys later, but we didn't get a very good video. It wasn't finished yet. Thomas has actually fully straight piped his truck with super tins. It's a is it True Dual?
True Duals.
So it's True Duals on a 6.0 Hummer with super tins on each exhaust pipe.
And that's it.
And then we've dumped it out the back here. Well, it's not dumped, but it's kind of dumped. Yes, I'm holding my shoes because I put my boots on because I want you guys to know it's fucking cold right now. It's like, what is it, like 40 degrees, 45 degrees out here?
It was like 20 something this morning.
If you guys know, I'm from Florida. I don't like this cold shit. It's stupid. I think it's stupid. And for me to say that the cold is stupid, that's...
The cold is stupid.
The cold is stupid. I don't care what you say. The cold is stupid. But this is gonna be a sim, because he drove all the way up to the dealership. We're about to run over to Zach's shop because I got something. You guys can tell by the title. Today's a shitty day, but I want to hear the cold start. It's a semi-cold start.
Dude, the cold start sounded really good. It's like, I mean, I just drove up here, so it's not cold.
It's semi-cold. Let me hear it. Don't rev it here. We'll rev it at Zach's shop, but let me hear at least the cold start. Damn, that sounds pretty good.
I love it.
It's almost got a little bit of chop to it.
Oh, it does. Going down the road, it's
Does it clap a little bit?
a little bit.
Hell yeah.
The cats in there.
That sounds pretty fucking good though. I love the way these Gladiators look on this truck. I've heard such terrible things about the Gladiators, but according to you, they ride pretty good.
I love them so far.
And actually, when I've ridden in your truck, they ride pretty good, so.
I mean, they ride just like my my big bitter shit.
Really?
Yeah. We'll see how long they last though.
You've been having some fun in this thing, huh? It's pretty dirty.
Oh, yeah, I went hunting this weekend.
I did see those. I did see a couple of the videos. I do want to shout out to the fuzzy steering wheel. This is fucking cool. Look at the fuzzy steering wheel. I need to get me one of those. Where'd you get that at? Like Walmart or something?
No, AutoZone.
AutoZone. I need to get me and Christina one of those.
I take my floor mat out so I don't get my shoes all muddy. I need to wash it. I'm gonna wash it.
I bet that's so warm in the wintertime too.
Oh, I love it.
I gotta get one
People
of those.
hate on it.
I gotta get one of those. I know y'all want to hear a cold start of the old axle dump too. Oh, I gotta put the bucket on it. Hold on, let me put.
have the bucket
Yeah,
on
I gotta put the bucket on it. Hold on, let me put the bucket on it. I'm like a little kid in the candy store.
You got the shark tail hitch on there?
All right, here's what would you say? This is like a.
It's a 5-gallon bucket.
Is that like a 12-inch opening?
Oh yeah, probably.
So I got a 12-inch Home Depot tip.
12-inch tip.
And it sounds so good. If you guys haven't seen the axle dump video where we actually did the where we cut the exhaust off, that video is almost at 50,000 views. Go run up on that one. That's crazy, first of all. And we did the video of us actually welding the axle dump at my house, so check that video out too. But here we go. Cold start, Home Depot bucket.
Has it been sitting all day?
Right?
Hell yeah.
That's just from lunch too. That's not like a true cold start.
Yeah.
That's just from lunch.
It sounds so good.
Right? Now listen to the difference. Look at it. First of all, look at the.
You need to go buy a big ass tip
I need
for
a
it.
huge tip to go on there. That sounds so good. I want you guys to be the first to know. I want.
First to know what?
Hold on.
What's up, Daddy?
Hold on. I want you. Whoa. It's a bad day, man. It's a bad day. I want you guys to be the first to know.
Okay.
I'm selling the truck.
No. Damn.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Get a Laurel.
What do you mean?
He's selling the truck.
Why? That just means that he's gonna get something.
That white bow tie no more.
I've got a lot of mixed reviews here. I don't. Christina doesn't want me to sell it, but
Do it. What are you gonna get next?
What's your idea?
Because you gotta have a plan.
You gotta load that on
for
us
no
first.
reason.
Not.
y'all think I got a plan already?
Yeah.
Got to.
Dude, you're the man with
You
the plan.
seem
You're
calculated
fucking
as fuck.
We'll see. We'll see. I know this may come to a surprise to a lot of you, but if you guys are interested and if you are serious, if if you are actually serious, I do not want to do this, but if you guys DM me and you are serious, I may entertain potential. I mean, it might be what I have to do anyway, but just be serious if you're gonna DM me. But we got a 2014 Silverado LT 4-wheel drive. We got some 22x14 hostile wheels that are in pretty good shape. We got 375 45 22s, which is like a 35x15, which is probably about at least 40 to 50% tread left. I mean, the tread's still pretty good. We got some aftermarket clear lens headlights with the lighting trends color changing demon eye bulbs. So they're very bright LEDs with the color changing and the clear side markers. We've got some aftermarket light bars to go in the fog lights. As far as suspension goes, like I said, it's 7 to 9 inch Mcgaughys lift kit, set at 9. It's been on here for about 2 years. Still rides great. Aftermarket upper control arms with the red powder coated emblems on top. Also Mcgaughys as well. Boost Auto Parts mirrors that have not been wired in yet, but they're fully functional with the tinted LED switchback lenses. Bullet antennas penetrator. This is a 9-inch antenna tip. I mean, a lot of stuff's been done to the truck. We got 5% windshield tint all the way around, including the windshield. So it's 5% on the windshield, 5% on the sides, and 5 for 20 over back. The whole truck has been debadged. There's nothing left on the sides, nothing left on the back. We got the color match third brake light that went on there probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago. We've got the Alpha Rex tail lights that look absolutely beautiful. And then you guys saw at the end of the video, or you guys saw at the beginning of the video, we've got the catback axle dump. I guess that's what you would want to call it. And oh, I forgot, the wheel lights will be fixed by the end of the week. So if you guys are seeing this, if it's been 2 or 3 days, the wheel lights are fixed. Go check it out on my Instagram. I'll have the wheel lights fixed. Fox shocks in the back. And then we got 488 gears front and back for both differentials. So 488s, definitely, you can definitely spin these tires on any kind of pavement that you want. It's got enough power to roast these tires. If you guys have seen the outro at the end of the videos, you guys know I'm not bullshitting. We can really spin the tires on this thing. If you guys want any, I mean, obviously there's pictures all over my Instagram. There's videos all over YouTube about everything that I've done. If you guys want more info, DM me on Instagram. Let me know what you think. I mean, it's not something I want to do, but it might end up having to be the case within the next week or so, or 2 weeks, or whatever it is. So just let me know. If I was going to sell my truck, what should I get?
My phone's over there.
Cadillac Escalade.
Cadillac Escalade?
Escalade.
Zach, if I was going to sell my truck, what should I get?
A Nissan Laurel C33.
A drift car?
Yes.
If I was going to sell my truck, what should I get?
A Nissan.
Really? Final answer? What should I get?
F250 or F350.
Ford. Ford?
Hey, I'm a Chevy guy to the end. Hold on, let me redeem myself on that part. I like Chevy.
In your Instagram, Chevy the Great?
Exactly. You know, I get before it has gone on me lately though. I do have a Ford as of right now. It wasn't my choice.
That was good. That was good. Miss
You know.
Chevy the Great over here wants a Ford.
They pretty tough.
Damn. First things first, guys, let me know in the comments if somebody decides to buy the truck, if somebody actually gives me what I want for the truck, what should I buy? Should I get a Duramax? Should I get an older 1500, older Duramax? Should I stick with the same year, same body style I got now? Something newer? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think that I should do. Secondly, do you guys think that I should not sell the truck and buy a daily driver? Because then I can park the truck somewhere else and buy a daily driver and I don't have to sell the truck. My goal right now is to see if I can sell the truck. That's why I'm making this video. This isn't clickbait. I'm trying to figure out if I can sell the truck, see if anybody would be interested in buying the truck. So if you guys are serious, like I said, DM me on Instagram, let me know, and we'll see if we can make a deal. But let me know in the comments, should I buy a daily driver? Should I sell the truck? If I sell the truck, what exactly should I get? Who knows? The HOA is ruining everything for me right now. We're doing so good. The views are really good. You know, we're posting consistently. Everything's going good right now except for the fucking HOA. So let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread. Oh, by the way, wheel lights are happening this week.
That's what I'm talking about.